When selecting a sensor, whether it be an inductive proximity sensor, a photoelectric sensor, capacitive sensor, or any other style, there are several physical choices that must be considered for each application. In this video, we cover the selections of round sensors versus rectangular sensors that should apply to all types of sensing applications. We offer other videos that discuss each style of sensor and how they operate, so make sure you take a look at those videos. If the application requires a replacement sensor, the most obvious choice would be to replace the failed sensor with the same style and model, unless a comparable model cannot be located or the application requires modifications for improvements. If the application is new and you are unsure if a round sensor or rectangular sensor is preferred, our goal for this video is to assist in clarifying the differences. When it comes to round versus rectangular, variety, cost, and most importantly, mounting requirements are primary concerns. Round sensors are the most common, which can result in a less expensive cost and a wider variety to select from. Automation Direct currently offers round sensors from 3mm diameter up to 30mm diameter and rectangular housings from 5 by 5mm up to 40 by 40mm. Typically, the larger the sensor, the longer detection range it will have. Mounting a sensor in the space allotted should be the main consideration when selecting which housing style to use. How much room does the application allow? Can a barrel-style round sensor fit in the application? If not, then a square or rectangular style sensor will allow a smaller profile, front to back, and may fit in smaller applications. Once the sensor is mounted, a quick disconnect cable with a 90-degree connector may offer spacing benefits where an axial or made-on cable may require more room at the back of the sensor. Mounting accessories can also be an integral determining factor in sensor selection. Are there available mounting accessories, or will custom brackets need to be manufactured? Automation Direct offers many styles of mounting options for both round and rectangular bodied sensors. Mounting the sensor so that it is in a safe but effective location where the sensor can detect the target is critical in design planning. If sensors are to be mounted near each other, remember that some sensors may be flush mounted or allowed to be mounted close to other sensors without interference, where others need a required distance away from surrounding sensors and mounting materials. Characteristics like flush and non-flush mounted or shielded versus unshielded styles are explained in detail in other videos. When considering which sensor housing style works best for an application, these factors need to be considered. Both round and rectangular style detects targets and send a signal back to a controlling device, like a PLC. Both are available in AC and DC voltages with NPN and PNP wiring styles and normally open and normally closed configurations. Both physical styles of sensors perform the same task. As previously mentioned, if the application only offers a small area for the sensor to reside, a rectangular style may be best. As you can see from our offering, there are several styles of rectangular sensors with different sensing faces and some with sensing faces that can be rotated, like the LF40 series. If the application has plenty of room for detection, mounting, and wiring, then a round barrel style may be the best choice with more available models and can be a little less expensive. Make sure you check out the many styles of sensors we offer with nearly 4,000 models available. We have several other videos that cover topics such as sensing styles, overviews, and wiring. Thanks for watching.